Hello investors, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over all the dividends that I've been receiving for the month of November. So these are going to be passive income from dividends that I'm receiving. I have pretty much a $5,000 portfolio that I started with. Currently we're up about 10% on this portfolio. Some of it is from dividend gains, some of it is from growth gains, but basically, this portfolio is at an average of about 4% dividends, so I receive about $200 every year just from passive income, from dividends, trying to increase that passive income every year. I'm going to be, adding more money to it to receive more and more, and try to increase my dividend every month to receive more passive income. Before we get into the video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's try to get about 50 likes on this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you guys stay updated with all the videos I upload and can keep up with my content. Okay guys, so the first stock that paid me out in November is going to be ticker symbol T, which is AT&T. AT&T is a quarterly paying dividend, and on November 1st, 2019, they paid me out $2.19 total amount. So currently I have 4.28 shares of AT&T at an average cost of $32.06. My cost basis is $137.50. The value of it right now is $163.83, and my unrealized gains is $26.33, or 19.15%. Now 19.15% is a very nice gain on this one. And also AT&T, they have a market cap of $279.1 billion. Their PE ratio is 17.1, and their dividend is actually 5.34%, or $2.04 per stock or per share. So 5.34% dividend, that is an amazing dividend to have in your portfolio. I'm really glad that I added this one because the price has been going up a lot lately, and just it's a very nice stock to have right now, especially with the whole communications. Everybody is in that 5G battle trying to be number one, and all the competitors like Verizon, Comcast, AT&T, and many other ones. But AT&T, great stock to hold. Next up, we have ticker symbol VZ, which is Verizon. So on November 1st, 2019, Verizon paid me out $3.05, and Verizon is also a quarterly paying dividend. So with Verizon, I currently own 4.95 shares at an average cost of $57.51. My cost basis is $285.24, and the value of the stocks right now is $303.47. My unrealized gains is $18.23, or 6.39%, which is very nice once again. And this is, since this is also a quarterly paying dividend, I think that's a decent amount. Verizon has a market cap of about $253.1 billion. Their PE ratio is 15.7, and the dividend that they pay out is 4.02%, or $2.46 per share. So once again, another great dividend. I love my dividends to be above the 3.5 to 4% area. That's like the sweet spot for me. I like that 4%, so the 4% is really nice for me. Verizon, just like I mentioned, AT&T, and that 5G battle to be number one. So another great stock to hold in my portfolio. Next up, we have LQD. LQD is a bond ETF, and pretty much on November 7, 2019, they paid me out 61 cents. LQD is a monthly paying dividend actually, which is really nice because that means you can drip, which basically means that as soon as you get the money from the dividend, you can go ahead and reinvest that money into the same stock or different stocks in your portfolio, so you can make everything weighed out. So it's really nice because every month you can just keep on contributing back into the portfolio, and that means compounding interest is going to be nicer and better than compared to having a quarterly dividend. 1.75 shares at an average price of $121.04. My cost basis is $212.50, and the current value is $224.14. My unrealized gains is $11.64, or 5.48%. LQD right now, it has a market cap of about $35.1 billion. The expense ratio is 0.15%, which is very low. I like that. And then the dividend is 3.31%, or $4.22 per share. So another great monthly dividend. It's about 3.3%, very nice. I would like it to be a little bit higher, but 3.31% is really nice in my opinion right now. Next up, we have ticker symbol O, which is Realty Income. On November 15, 2019, Realty Income paid me 98 cents. Realty Income is another monthly dividend, and it pays out monthly pretty much, so that means I can reinvest my money once again. Realty Income, I own 4.3 shares at an average price of $72.54. My cost basis is $312.20. The current value of it is $326.84. My unrealized gains is $14.64 or 4.69%. Realty Income I like because it's a monthly paying dividend and it's involved, in the REITs, pretty much real estate sector. Its market cap is 24.8 billion. The PE ratio is 58.9, and the dividend that they pay out is 3.59% or $2.72 per stock per share. So another great stock to have. It's kind of went down. It was at a high of about $81 or $82. So right now it's had a little pullback. So I might consider adding more to my position in O, as well as some other stocks that I'm going to be showing you. We have ticker symbol WELL, which is Welltower. On November 21st, 2019, they paid me $2.64. Welltower is a quarterly paying dividend. I currently own about 3.03 shares of Welltower at an average price of $82.49. My cost basis is $250, and the value of it right now is $253.88. My unrealized gains is $3.88 or 1.55%. I believe that this is actually a great time for me to buy more and add to my position of Welltower because it's kind of had a little bit pullback. I was up a little bit more on it recently, but it's had a pullback, and right now the market cap is at 34 billion. The PE ratio is 30.4, and then the dividend that they pay out every quarter is 4.15% or $3.48 per share. So this one's above 4% dividend. I think this is a great one to add more to my position because I'm going to be receiving a 4.15% dividend, which is above my average. My average portfolio right now is at 3.7, close to 4%, I believe, but I would really like it to be, a little bit higher than 4%. Up we have SPHD. So this is on November 29, 2019. They paid me out $1.27. SPHD is a monthly paying dividend. SPHD is a S&P 500 high dividend low volatility ETF. Pretty much I have 8.23 shares. My average price is $41.30. My cost basis is $340. The value of it right now is $356.63. My unrealized gains is $16.63 or 4.89%. SPHD, just like Verizon, just like LQD and O, they pay me, monthly, so I can reinvest this right away. Their market cap is 3.7 billion. Their expense ratio is 0.3, so it's a little bit higher than the previous stock that I showed, but 0.3% is not too bad, compared to LQD. I believe LQD was 0.15%. SPHD actually has a really nice dividend of 4.1% or $1.78 per share. 4.1% dividend, I think that's a really nice dividend to have. Like I said, I like to keep my dividends above that 4% because I just feel like that gives me the most bang for my buck, and I feel like it's a safe, stock to have. You don't want to hold stocks that are going to be giving you 7% or 8% because that's just too much. Something's wrong with that company, in my opinion. So I don't like to have those very, very high dividend paying stocks in my portfolio. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of my shares that I show you guys and all of the stocks that I have in my portfolio. Pretty much, and I'm up about 10% on it. I get paid dividends of about 3.7 to 4%, average, so about $200 a year. Currently I'm getting paid out. I hope to increase that in 2020 and add more stocks to my portfolio, but right now I have different sectors and I'm up in different amounts in each sector. So yeah, guys, how much are you guys up in your portfolio? Leave a comment below. What is your best dividend holding, and how much are you invested into it? Make sure you smash that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel to stay notified every time I make a new video on the stock market. I make videos about dividends, penny stocks, anything like that. So I hope to see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have a great day.